In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the gallery size in Notion to make your workspace more organized and visually clear. First, open Notion and head to the workspace where your gallery view is set up. Once inside, look for the settings icon in the top right corner of your gallery. This is where all customization happens. Click on it and go to the layout section. Here you'll find the card size option, which lets you control how much space each item takes up. You can choose between small, medium or large cards, depending on your needs. Small works great if you want a compact overview. Medium gives a balanced look. Large is perfect if you want detailed visuals or bigger previews. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can personalize your gallery view for better visibility and workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips.